Welcome to my YouTube channel, Car Insights. If you're a car enthusiast or someone who simply cares about maintaining your vehicle, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to discuss a very important yet often overlooked topic: unbalanced tires. Tires are one of the most critical components of your car, and when they're not balanced properly, they can cause a lot of problems. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common signs that indicate your tires need balancing and explain why it's important to address this issue as soon as possible. First, let's talk about why tire balancing matters in the first place. When your tires are balanced, it means the weight of each tire and wheel assembly is evenly distributed around the axle. This ensures that the tire rotates smoothly, which helps maintain the stability of your car, provides a comfortable ride, and prevents unnecessary wear on your tires and suspension system. If your tires are out of balance, it can lead to several problems that not only affect the performance of your car but also the safety and longevity of its parts. So, understanding the signs of unbalanced tires and taking action promptly can save you money, prevent damage, and improve your driving experience. Let's begin with the most obvious symptom: vibration in the steering wheel. Have you ever felt like your steering wheel is shaking or vibrating while driving? If so, this is a classic sign that your tires are unbalanced. This typically happens when you're driving at highway speeds, around 50 to 70 miles per hour. The imbalance in the tire causes it to wobble, and this wobbling motion gets transferred to the steering wheel. You may also notice that the vibration gets worse at higher speeds. It's one of the most noticeable and annoying symptoms of unbalanced tires. If you're experiencing this, it's a good idea to take your car to a professional for a tire balancing check. Another common sign of unbalanced tires is uneven tire wear. Tires should wear down evenly across the tread, but when they are unbalanced, the weight distribution is off, causing one side of the tire to wear out faster than the other. This uneven wear can be difficult to spot at first, but over time, you'll notice that the tread depth isn't consistent across the tire. If you're getting uneven wear, it's likely that your tires are out of balance, and you should get them balanced before the issue gets worse. Not only will uneven tire wear shorten the lifespan of your tires, but it can also affect your car's handling and overall safety on the road. Along with uneven wear, unbalanced tires can lead to a bumpier ride or strange noises. Have you noticed that your car feels rougher or more uncomfortable to drive, especially at higher speeds? This is another sign that your tires may be unbalanced. When the tires are not evenly balanced, they can cause the car to vibrate more than usual, making for a less comfortable ride. You may also hear a rhythmic thumping noise that gets louder as you speed up. This sound is often a result of an unbalanced tire, and it can be quite annoying. If you're hearing noises like this, it's a clear indicator that your tires need attention. In addition to a bumpy ride and strange noises, unbalanced tires can cause your car to pull to one side. If you find yourself constantly fighting to keep the car straight on the road, or if it feels like your car is drifting to one side without you steering it, unbalanced tires could be the cause. The uneven weight distribution from unbalanced tires can cause your vehicle to feel off-center, and this can make the car pull to one side. This can be dangerous, especially at high speeds, as it can affect your ability to control the car. If you experience this, get your tires balanced to fix the problem. Another symptom that might seem unrelated to tire balancing but is actually connected is increased fuel consumption. When your tires are out of balance, your vehicle has to work harder to maintain speed, and the engine uses more energy to overcome the extra resistance from the unbalanced tires. As a result, your fuel efficiency decreases. If you've noticed that you're filling up your gas tank more often than usual, it's a good idea to check if your tires need balancing. While tire balancing might not solve all fuel-related issues, it can certainly help improve your vehicle's overall efficiency and save you money at the pump. Now, you might be wondering how to fix these issues. The process of balancing your tires is relatively simple and inexpensive. It involves adding small weights to the wheels to ensure they are properly balanced. These weights counteract any imbalance in the tire, ensuring that the wheel and tire rotate evenly. Tire balancing is typically done every time you install new tires, and it's also a good idea to have it done whenever you experience any of the symptoms I mentioned earlier. Ideally, you should have your tires balanced every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, But if you notice any of the signs of imbalance sooner, don't wait to get it checked. If you ignore the signs of unbalanced tires, it can lead to more serious problems down the road. For example, the extra vibrations caused by unbalanced tires can put stress on your suspension system, steering components, and other parts of your vehicle. Over time, this can lead to more expensive repairs. Unbalanced tires can also cause premature tire wear, meaning you'll need to replace your tires sooner than expected, which can be costly. Plus, the increased strain on your suspension and drivetrain components can affect your car's overall performance and safety. In the long run, getting your tires balanced is a small investment that can help you avoid big problems. Not only will it ensure a smoother, more comfortable ride, but it will also help extend the life of your tires and prevent unnecessary wear and tear on your vehicle. Proper tire maintenance, including balancing, is a simple way to keep your car in top shape and ensure that you're getting the most out of your tires. To recap, the signs that your tires may need balancing include vibration in the steering wheel, uneven tire wear, a bumpy ride or strange noises, your car pulling to one side, and increased fuel consumption. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's time to have your tires balanced. Tire balancing is an easy and affordable fix that can prevent bigger problems down the road. It's always better to address these issues early on than to wait for them to cause more serious damage. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to Car Insights, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future car tips. Safe driving, and remember, balancing your tires is one of the simplest ways to ensure a smooth and safe ride. See you in the next video.